Welcome to our eLabFTW release video. In this video, we will show you the most important new features and improvements in version 5.6. Let's get started. We are now on the eLabFTW dashboard. This release focuses on making eLabFTW faster, more responsive, and easier to use. It also introduces a refreshed visual design with improved accessibility. Buttons now use a blue color scheme with better contrast, and clickable elements are easier to recognize thanks to clearer link styling. The dashboard layout has also been refined to improve readability and visual organization. Let's now open the experiment section. One of the biggest improvements in this release is the complete redesign of the entry index page. Browsing large numbers of entries now feels much smoother and the interface is more responsive. Instead of traditional pagination, entries are now loaded continuously with infinite scrolling. The search tool has also been improved. As you type into the search field, the results are updated immediately, making it much faster to find specific entries. The table view has also received a major upgrade. Columns can now be resized, reordered, sorted, and searched. This makes it much easier to organize and review large numbers of entries. Let's now open an experiment entry. It is now possible to create a template directly from an existing entry. This makes it much easier to turn frequently used experiments into reusable templates. Permissions management has also been improved. The permissions interface has been simplified, allowing read and write permissions to be easily managed together. More actions are now recorded in the changelog, including file uploads, tag changes, and content restored from revisions. Next, let's take a look at the scheduler. The booking workflow has been improved to make it easier to create and edit reservations. Previously, all booking actions were handled within a single window. Now, the interface has been reorganized to make the different actions clearer and easier to access. The ability to track the cost of individual resources has also been improved. It is now possible to define the hourly cost of a resource in the booking settings. Based on the scheduling data, costs can be calculated and exported as a CSV file from the scheduler page. Next, let's open the user profile. eLabFTW now supports the Research Organization Registry, also known as ROR. Organizations can now be linked to user profiles using standardized research organization identifiers. The same functionality is available for individual teams and for entire eLabFTW instances. Another improvement concerns research management for team admins. Team admins can now enforce the use of resource templates. With this option enabled, users will be required to select an existing resource template when creating a new resource entry. They will not be able to create blank resource entries. This helps teams to ensure that resources are created in a consistent and structured way. Another improvement affects the management of ownership of entries. Admins can now transfer individual entries between teams. This provides more flexibility when reorganizing content across different teams. We have reached the end of our tour of the new features in eLabFTW. Here is a summary of the most important new features. If you want to review this list, you can pause the video now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. See you next time.